Hello everyone, I am Manav, and in this video we are going to acquire some knowledge about the electricity. So let's begin with our topic about the electricity. We know that what is electricity? Flow of charges, current. What do you mean by current? When I used to talk about current, also I'll always say that current is a flow of charges. Here one charge is here, that is moving and come here. This motion of the charges in a wire is known as electricity. Electric current. Sorry, electric current. Electricity is very much connected with our life. It was not too much connected to our life some period year ago, but now we are fully connected with the electricity. However, we don't know how this electricity works. So we should know about this. So I am here to tell you about the electric circuits and also about the Ohm's law. What is the principle? The principle that is based on our Ohm's law. We are going to learn about in this video. So if I talk about our this topic, about the electricity. So things are mobile, our laptop, PC, and LED, television. All these things are working on electricity. Electricity is also boom for us and also boom for us. It is also a little harmful for us. If I touch it with wet my wet hands, so it can lead to a short circuit or to. You can make that sense what I'm talking about. Dent. So it is also harmful for us and also useful, as we are all the things now. We are fully dependent on internet. Internet is possible if there is electricity. So electricity is the game of whole that thing. So electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is nothing but flow of charges. Which charges? Charges still now I have seen two type of charges, positive and negative. Positive and negative, proton, electron. So the flow of electron is what? It is a type of charge that flows and generates energy. There is also heat effect of electricity, magnetic effect of electricity. But I am not going to tell you all these things because I am here to tell you just about the Ohm's law. Because in this video we are only going to deeply see all those things, all those limitations that are given by Ohm's, a German physicist. But before understanding that, I think we must understand about some terms, like we have understood about the about the electric current mean. What do you mean by electric current? Now, there is another point that you'll have to learn. That is electric potential. Potential. If I think of the word potential, so what do you mean by this? That means potential power. Potential. If you will search it in the Google what is that? Google Translator, yes, Google Translator or any other translator, you must find a word powerful or power, a power to do work. According to physics, if you will search the word potential, P-O-T-E-N-T-I-A-L, potential, yes, potential. So, in simple word, or according to dictionary, according to English, it's mean powerful, potential. And in our physics, it is a very little bit different. First, we know about the work. What is work? No, I'm not talking about reading or reading, writing, speaking. I'm not talking about that things. I'm talking about the work, the term work. What do you mean by that term work in physics? So if I talk about the physics, so it's mean that force applied on object and that object displaced from its initial point. And that thing is known as yes, you are right. It is our potential. Now, if I have, we can say, pencil. Let's suppose pencil, and I am standing on the roof, on the top roof of a building. Then, if I'll throw it by not giving any force or anything, it will go down. It must. It will. Very simple. Why it will go down? Why it will go down? Because gravity is there. It is trying to come from high potential to the lower potential. It is at the height. There is a difference in height. Low, high. So that is what? Nothing but our potential. Cannot understand. Let's take example of water. If I have a tap or no tap, a pipe, a water pipe, PVC pipe, a water PVC pipe, and it is perpendicular to the surface of our earth, mean to the ground floor, and it is connected to top floor to the ground floor. If I'll just open the tap, so the water will go down without any force. But there is a force that is acting on it, gravitational force. But I have not done any work on it. I have not pushed it, or any machine has not been used on it. So it is just done by a force of gravity. No work has been done by me. None. What was that? That was our gravity. But at the same case, or not in the same case, it is a slight different case. If I want the water to go up to the roof, to the terrace of that building. So what I will do? I cannot just open the tap and it will go up. I need a motor, an electric motor. That motor will have a power, potential, we can say. If I take this word, the term of physics, potential. It has that potential to make that water to go up, to climb up. Exactly like this, there is our cell. We have cell. In a circuit, in a setup of electricity, I have already told you about that circuit, so I'm going to little explain it again. What is a circuit? A circuit is a setup of electricity to see that what it is working on. Which things that we must have? Switch, bulb. Why bulb? Bulb is a little, it is not too much costly, and it when it glows, so we get to know that there is charges. So it is very simple to take. So first thing is what? We must have all those things that I'm going to tell you: wire, switch, our bulb, cell. Anything left? Nothing. All things that I have told you are the supplies that you must have. Now, after setting all these things, there are charges. I have already told you that the current flows. What is current? What is current? Flow of charges. But which thing makes the current to flow? First thing, current always flow from higher potential to the lower potential, but there is a thing that make them flow. That is our electric potential, and that electrical power they are pushed by our cell. Cell is mixture of many different chemicals. There is a carbon rod in it. So when it has the power, it has potential stored in it, power stored in it to push those our charges, and they flow. There is a formation of our current